Okay, morning guys. Right, let's get this going. So, you don't need to have a kettlebell for today's workout, okay? Today's not going to be a super complicated kettlebell workout. We are going to break down one main kettlebell movement, okay, into 3 bits, and we're going to turn that into a workout, okay? This is tough. When we actually get into the main part of the workout, we're going to be working for 24 minutes. You're going to burn a lot of calories, build up a lot of sweat, get really warm, and you're going to feel good afterwards, all right? So, ideally, you're going to have 2 kettlebells, or you're going to have 2 weights, okay? One for swings, and one for overhead work, okay? Turn this around. Let me just start my watch, because otherwise it doesn't count.
It doesn't count because you want.
Exactly, you know the rules. Okay, so if you don't have a kettlebell and you just have a dumbbell, hold on to the dumbbell at its ends, okay, back, through. Okay, and then for the overhead work, it can just be there. If all you got is a rucksack, that's fine. Okay, you can swing that. And then when you're doing the overhead work, you can either just have it sitting on the outside of your hand, or you can just go with nothing in your hand. It's still going to get you going, okay? So, spend a couple of minutes here just warming up. So the first thing you're going to do is come down onto the floor, yeah. And we're going up 30 seconds. We're going to hold. Good, keep going here. I'm looking at my watch as though I know what the time has started. Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, down. Up we come. Okay, from there, we're going to hook our 2 fingers underneath our toes. Okay, and we're going to pull ourselves down into a squat. And from there, you're going to push your hips in the air like you just don't care. Okay, and back down. Okay, so there, up, 2, down, chest through, 2, up, 2, down, 2, 2 more times, up, 2, down, 2, one more, up, 2, down, 2. Good. And then just need to fire the shoulders up a little bit. So we're going to go into a tall plank, and from here, shoulder taps. Okay, and the aim here is to not let your hips kick side to side. And we're going to go 10 each side. Good. And we're going to run through those one more time. So down we come. Okay, this time I have got it. Okay, we can take this up a little notch here. So we're here. We're going to do glute march. Again, we're not letting those hips drop as we go up. And we are down. Good. And we're back to squat stance. Hook the fingers under, and this time, okay, you're going to bring one hand up, back down, hook, hand up, and pull back through. Turn, turn, and up. Here. guys, one more time. Good. And then we're going to go back into shoulder taps. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. All right. Starting to feel a little bit warm now. All right, so now we want to get that swing pattern down. Okay, so for those people who haven't done a lot of kettlebells in the past, what I'm looking for in a swing is a good hip hinge movement. Okay, minimal knee bend, but you still want a little bit. Don't want to be dead straight. Up, hips go back, chest is up. So if someone was stood in front of you, they'd be able to see the logo on your chest here. Okay, and then we're going to fire through. If you haven't done a lot of kettlebell work before, for swings, think of it like a dynamic RDL, okay? So you're free to just do these if you want, or you can move into here. Okay, we're going to do a few sets of these. We're going to build into this. So, first one's going to be 30 seconds. Go hold your bells. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good, 3, 2, 1, and we're down. Okay, so shake it off. The next one we're going to go up to 40 seconds. I feel like Grant Mitchell, Nick Joe Wicks. Okay guys, going in 3 then, 40 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's good. Hips back, snap. Back, snap. Good, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. Now we've got 40 seconds rest. See, everyone's getting on. Rodders, boy. Good stuff, guys, good stuff. Okay, so next one, you may guess, is going to be 50. We're going to go here in 5, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, we want to make sure those hamstrings are really nice and warm before we get into this. Okay, if you're used to doing kettlebell work, right now you can move into some single arm work if you want. As long as you get that hip hinge movement going, you're good. Good, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. That's me blowing anyway. Last one coming up now. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, going in 5, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good, we're halfway. Last 15. And 5, 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. Okay, grab yourselves a drink, and I'm going to talk you through what we're going to do for this little workout. Okay, so we're going to work around the Turkish Get Up. We're going to break it down to 3 moves. First one being right arm up. This is the hand that the kettlebell is going to be in. Okay, it's going to be the opposite leg. It's going to go behind you. It's a reverse lunge. There, through. There, through. Okay. Second part is a half windmill. Okay, so we're here, down to one knee, arm is up. That leg moves back behind you, and we don't just fall to the side. Try and push this hip outwards. Okay, we're trying to space your hips over, over, over. Keep pushing out until your hand touches the floor. Once your hand touches the floor, you're good. There. Then we're going to pop back through. Okay. The last move is the Turkish Get Up sit up. Here. Roll, extend, hips up, back down. Okay? We're going to go right, left, swings. Right, left, swings. Right, left, swings. At the end of that, we're going to put together the full get up, okay? Hey Nathan boy, here he is. First kettlebell session. Here we go, George. Let's light your hamstrings up, boy. Okay, so start getting warm here. Stop, reset. 60 seconds, guys, and then we're going to go. So we're going to work on each movement for 45 seconds with 15 seconds rest. If that becomes too long for you, just drop it down to 30. Okay, we're going to start an exercise at the top of every minute. So if you start a stopwatch whenever we start, and make sure you start moving at the top of the minute, you'll be good. Okay, so this is the first one. I don't want to make it overly complicated with all snatches and cleans and juggling bits, so we can add other stuff like that next week. Today, you'll feel this tomorrow, trust me. Okay, 10 seconds then. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good. Keep punching that kettlebell nice and high, guys. Okay, you want to try and get your bicep to your head without taking your head over. 10 seconds. One more. Good. And down. Now we're going to switch. So just to show you, you want your grip to be right in the corner of the kettlebell so it comes across your palm. Okay, that'll make things a lot more comfortable in the back of your arm. Ready? Up we go, and we're off. Good, 15 seconds. Good, 3, 2, 1, and down. Back to your heavier kettlebell. Three, 2, 1. And let's go. Good stuff, guys. 10. Good, come on, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and down. So next is the windmill. Half windmill. Okay, up, off we go. Make sure you bring that back foot behind you. Okay, so we're here. Makes it much easier to bring your hips across. Good. 5 more. 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. So by the end of this, you'll be able to do Turkish Get Up no problem, without any little boring drills that go with it. And we're going up, and off we go. Good, guys. Remember, kick the hips out, pull them back under you. Hips out and under. 3, 2, 1. Good. 10 seconds, they were swinging. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, good tip for you when you're doing swings is using a trainer or going barefoot. Trainer with a very slim heel, so that allows you to keep your weight in the middle to the rear of your foot. Hopefully you can hear me when I pick it up there. Or go barefoot. I know a lot of people get a bit worried about going barefoot with kettlebells in case you drop them. Trust me, you drop a 24-kilogram bell on your foot, a pair of trainers ain't going to stop anything. So the key there is not to drop them. Yes, I'm skipping it around. 3, 2, 1, bells down. Next bit is the Turkish Get Up sit up. Okay, are we going in 3, 2, 1, roll, extend, hips up. Good, 15 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Good. And the movements you don't need to rush, okay? The swings will take care of your heart rate. The movements you just need to make sure you get them all. I know in each part of the movement even. Let's go. Ten seconds. Good, keep going. 3, 2, 1, time. And we're back to swings. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good, keep going. Good stuff, you guys, keep going. 15 seconds. 10. And down. Good. Next comes the first full get up, okay? Let me just see what's going on here. Okay, off we go. Knee across, hips down, legs through, down, down, down. Up, extend, hips up, legs through, over, foot round, up. Okay, down, foot round, over, hips up, down, 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 up, extend, hips up, legs through, up, round, up, and down. Whew. Same on the left arm next. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Cross, over, through, down, down, down. Push, extend, hips, through, up, round, up. Round, over, through, down, down, up, up, hips, under, up, round, and up. One more, keep going, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, time. Good. Alright guys, back to swings. Ready, and let's go. Good. Maintaining form. Chest is still up. Hips are back. Good. 15 seconds. Good. 5, 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. So we're halfway. We're going to take a 2-minute break, grab some water, wipe your brow, refocus your chi. Kyle, you can't do this with your knee. I'm just saying. Everyone still see you with the sun like this? Yeah. Avion boy, congratulations. Hope the baby's doing well, mate. Whew. Okay, everyone good? I don't know why I'm asking, you can't answer. It's very weird, this. So 1 more minute and then we're going to go back into it, okay? We're going to work our way from the bottom back up. So we've got a load of cameras here. We've got my Facebook, my Instagram, YouFit's Instagram, and then we've got another one for port. Just forget the 4th one. Forget I said that. Don't worry about that one. There we go, exercise ring closed. Done for the day. Right then guys, 20 seconds to go. Decide whether you're going to keep going with 45 seconds, you're going to go with 40, 35, 30. Try not to drop below 30. But don't worry if you have to, okay? So, we're back on the floor. We're going in 3, 2, 1, and we're up. Good, 15 seconds guys. Three, 2, 1, change. Oh, back, yeah, okay, good. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Other arm. Sorry, the connection keeps dropping right here. 1, through, and up, up. Good, 15 seconds. And time. Three, 2, 1, back into swings, let's go. Good, we've still got that nice tabletop back. Five, and 3, 2, 1, and we're down. Okay, back to the half kneeling. Three, 2, 1. Remember, bring that foot behind, over, up. Good, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, switch sides. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, push your hips out, okay? Drive your hips out to the side. If you want to practice these, go against the wall, start an inch or 2 away from it, go over until your hip touches, work your way back, okay? Makes a big difference. Don't forget how kettlebell is going across the palm, okay? So you're up in the top corner, it's going diagonally across the palm. That way it'll sit between your bicep and your forearm when you have the belt tucked in. Good, and relax. There we go. Good. And back to heart center. Swings next. Okay, we're almost there, almost there. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. As I said before, you want this to be a heavier bell, but if it's not, you can just simply go to a single arm, alternating swing. To do that, you've got to give the Julius Caesar, so thumbs down, thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up. And once you're doing that, just clap hands. Maybe don't do that if you're doing that inside. Okay. 3, 2, one, and let's go. If you happen to have stolen some matting from UFit, I mean purchase some matting, then maybe give it a go. And we're back in the right arm, going back with the left leg. Let's go. Drive. Keep punching. Whoop. Stormy seas. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1, and down. Whew. Grab a drink, go on the left arm. Right arm going back next. Right leg. Ready? And let's go. Good, 15 seconds, keep going guys. It's 5, 3, 2, 1, change. Back to swings. Almost there. 4 minutes left. 3, 2, 1. And let's go. Still tabletop back, nice and flat. We're not doing this. Okay. It's a hinge hip hinge. 10, 5, 3, 2, 1, and we're down. 10 seconds, last one. Going from the top, okay? Full Turkish Get Up. 3 minutes. And let's go. So we're back, foot across, over, foot through, down, down, down. Up, foot up, and through. Five seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. Change arms. Woo. Going in 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ten seconds, guys. One more. Let's go. Right, last turn's coming up. And let's go. Keep going, keep going. Last 20 seconds. Five, 3, 2, 1, and down. Nice. Well done, guys. That was 27 minutes including the rest. 24 to take it all the way. Okay, here is a second version of that, where you do swings after every single movement. And add another 8 minutes onto it. That is brutal. So, for next week's session, if you don't already follow my Instagram or Facebook, go on there. And over the next week, I'll post some tutorials on the movements that we'll do next week. So things like cleans, things like snatches. Okay, in a 40-minute window, I'm never going to be able to teach everyone here, but I'll drop in some tutorials and you can practice in the meantime. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe, stay home, stay sane. All right.